Welcome to kitkatKids K3.
A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for ball, bounce high overhead. C is for cat, who purrs when she's glad. D is for dog, a loyal comrade. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, with a neck so long. H is for horse, strong and strong. I is for igloo, cozy and round. J is for jelly, sweet and profound. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty roar and cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the trees. N is for nest, swaying in the breeze. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen, ruling with grace. R is for rabbit, quick in the race. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, with stripes of delight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, with melodies that fly. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, with notes of glee. Y is for yak, with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra, with stripes that float. I is for igloo, cozy and round. J is for jelly, sweet and profound. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty roar and crown. K is for kite, flying high in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty roar and cry. M is for monkey, swinging in the tree. N is for nest, swaying in the breeze. O is for owl, wise in the night. P is for panda, black and white. Q is for queen, ruling with grace. R is for rabbit, quick in the race. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for tiger, with stripes of delight. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, with melodies that fly. W is for whale, splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone, with notes of glee. Y is for yak, with a shaggy coat. Z is for zebra, with stripes that